Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of modeling a cup in Blender. Today we will cover basically the textures of the cup and the plate that we modeled. So let's get started. So I had this reference downloaded, so I will add it first, then we will texture our models according to it. So first let's add the reference and scale it down. Now go to the Shading tab to add textures to our model. First, we will select the cup and press on the new option in the tab below. After pressing on it, some options will pop up. Now press Shift-A and add a mixed shader. Connect the principal BSDF to the second shader on the mix node, and then add a glossy shader and connect it to the first shader. This will make the cup glass-like. On both nodes, lower the roughness value to 0.3 or 0.2 and give a light pinkish color to it. Now select the cup holder and copy the texture of the cup for it, or you can do it manually for the holder too. Now select the plate and press Tab to go to edit mode, then place the mouse on the plate holder and press L to select them, then separate it from the plate by pressing the right mouse button and selecting the selection option in the separate panel at the bottom. Then give a little metallic black texture to it. Now select the plate and press New in the tab below. Now add a color ramp node by pressing Shift-A and connects it to principal BSDF. Now add a noise texture and connects it to color ramp. Now select the noise texture node and press Ctrl-T and you will get a mapping node and a texture coordinate node. On texture coordinate node, connect the object option to the mapping node. Give the scale value up to 50 or make it smaller so we get the texture as close as to the texture in the reference, and play with the values a little so that it looks nice. So this is it for today's tutorial. Hope you have learned from it. See you in the next part where we will model the plant and the vase. Take care and also subscribe to stay connected.